Hi, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. This is my first DJI Mavic Mini quick tutorial video. Hope it will bring some benefits to all the Mavic Mini pilot out there. In this 2 minutes video, I'm going to show you 9 simple steps and guides to prevent incident like missing drone or crash during return to home. I always practice these steps as my preference and it only takes about a minute or 2. Now I'm in the DJI Fly apps. As you can see, the aircraft is connected and ready to fly. Step 1. Make sure the satellite connection turns from red to white, or it has 12 or more established satellite. It will also prompt a message saying Homepoint has been updated. It means that GPS positioning is now active. Step 2. Check the aircraft status located on the top left. Make sure no error message. It will show permitted to take off, pre-flight check, normal. Step 3. Go to the setting on the 3 dots on top right corner. Go to transmission setting, scroll down, change the channel mode to manual, scroll down again, look for channel 149 to 165, which is a 5.8 GHz. Look for the channel with the lowest win. I will try on the 157, it will prompt a message to restart the Wi-Fi, click OK. Step 4. Go to safety, auto RTH altitude, set the height slightly higher according to your surrounding or planned flight path. Step 5. Scroll down, look for advanced safety setting, signal loss, make sure this setting is suitable to your current preference. Okay, now we are taking off. After takeoff, it will prompt a voice and read message saying that the home point has been updated, RTH altitude adjusted to 82 meters as what I have said just now. Step 6. Double check the home point to make sure it is where it is. Click on the map below, look for the hatch point, zoom if you wish. Okay, this is the correct location. Step 7. Double check the auto RTH altitude in the setting again. Step 8. Move the remote stick to check the response of the aircraft. Check all the maneuver: up, down, turn right, turn left, frontward, backward, left and right. Last step, turn on the airplane mode or DND mode. I have read somewhere that by turning on the airplane mode, it may reduce interference, but the reason I'm doing this is to avoid incoming calls, SMS, WhatsApp, messaging apps or any other notification that might pop up on my screen during the flight. You don't want that to happen when you are focusing on a shot and suddenly something's pop up and cut off your shot. Also, by turning on the airplane mode, make sure you have the map cache so it will still show the map wherever you are flying. That's all for the tutorial. Fly safe and enjoy your flight.